Today I'm at the San Juan Reservoir Park in Sacramento, California. It's a fun little place. It's got a little creek that runs through it, or a stream, and actually goes for quite a while, so not just in this area, but it continues on, and there's some trails and stuff like that, so it's kind of a fun place just to walk around. And there are birds here, and you can even hear some. I think those are geese. Let's go. Kind of a cool bird here is a kingfisher, and I saw it dive bombing the water, but it was I was facing the sun, so I wanted to try to get in a better position. Of course, that didn't quite work out, but I am kind of chasing it around. It is going back and forth, so hopefully maybe I'll get a shot. Fun to walk around here. The geese and the ducks, they're still with their babies, but their babies have grown up quite a bit in the summer. And anyways, yeah. See? Right there. Anyway, thanks for coming along. See you next time.